here at William Ford Elementary School in Dearborn, Michigan, and they took a lot of what I talked about a few months ago, the 3rd and 5th grade, and some students that got inspired that did a school-wide kindness pledge in the shape of a peace sign. And this is one of the ideas, a follow-up idea that I always recommend for schools to implement at their own school. If you take a closer look, it's all 700 of them that really did an awesome job. They traced their hands, they put different sayings and phrases that have to do with peace, one world, friendship, peace itself, love, be kind. There's so many things. It's just an amazing mural, really, of ways to really keep thinking about the message and seeing this visual every day as you walk by right into their cafeteria. That's huge. In a really high traffic zone, it's always ideal to place something like this because people see it all the time and they think about the key concepts from the assembly, right? The M on all of our palms, the M stands for miracle with the lines of our hands, W upside down for worthy, that we're worthy of love to give it and receive it. And so always having that reminder in our heads and visually is really the best way to reinforce the main focus of each of the presentations that I speak on. And I'm so proud of all the William Ford Eagles here that decided to make this a reality, especially our Falcon friends and the kindness group club that they started here at the school. Keep going strong, keep spreading the love and peace. And as always, don't forget to subscribe by clicking the link that's going to pop up here, along with the bell for notifications on future videos. Great ideas to keep the spark alive at your school by clicking the playlist above, and feel free to check out the website link too for more information. Peace.